Cosmologists have found obvious proof of what could be an Earth 2.0. This craftsman rendering shows the rough planet, distinguished as Proxima b, circling the Proxima Centauri star. Proxima Centauri is the nearest star to our planet, apart from the Sun, and it is around 4.25 light-years away. This is a game-changer because astronomers have hit a milestone. This is their little glimpse of heaven. Another section in cosmology has opened up. We have finally found the closest planet that looks very similar to Earth. Scientists are now looking beyond our solar system to the next nearest star, Proxima Centauri, which is 24 trillion miles away. While that may sound like a lot, in space terms it's our neighbor. That's where a planet has been found circling around it. And the reason researchers are so excited is that this alien world is the closest there is outside our own solar system. It's been named Proxima b. It's slightly larger than Earth, and although its star is much cooler than our Sun, the planet is in the perfect zone for liquid water to exist on its surface. This means that, in theory, it could support life. Researchers searching for life on other planets often discuss the Goldilocks zone. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right. Now, NASA has found a planet that is squarely in that zone. NASA has discovered a super-Earth that could have conditions to support life. The new exoplanet is 137 light-years away, or about 800 trillion miles. Cosmologists say the planet is around 1.2 times the size of Earth and orbits a small, reddish star that is cooler than our Sun. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has barely woken up, and the universe is now more mysterious and more beautiful than humankind's wildest dreams. Proxima Centauri b could have the building blocks of life, and researchers believe they may have found proof of alien microorganisms thriving there. This exoplanet, orbiting the star closest to our solar system, is sending signals that are hard to ignore. Could this be the first proof of life beyond Earth? Let's dive deeper into these groundbreaking discoveries and uncover truths that NASA may not want you to know. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in December 2021, is the most powerful telescope ever placed in space. This incredible tool, created by NASA along with European and Canadian partners, is giving us the clearest view of the universe we've ever had. It has a 21-foot mirror and resides in a special location called the Lagrange point 2, far from Earth's interference. Its infrared capabilities allow it to see through cosmic dust and get a much better look at distant objects like Proxima Centauri b. Now, what the James Webb Telescope has revealed about Proxima Centauri b is far more significant than anyone expected. This planet sits in the habitable zone of its star, Proxima Centauri, where conditions might be perfect for liquid water to exist. Water is a key ingredient for life as we understand it. Discovered back in 2016, the planet orbits a red dwarf star just over 4 light-years away. In space terms, that's practically next door. But proximity doesn't mean it's a second Earth. While the exoplanet has a lot going for it, things get complicated. At first glance, it's a rocky planet about 1.17 times the mass of Earth, and it's relatively close to its star, taking only 11 days to complete one orbit, compared to Earth's 1-year journey around the Sun. Its star, however, is much smaller and cooler than our Sun. Here's where things get tricky. Being in the habitable zone doesn't mean it's an ideal place to live. The star this planet orbits is a red dwarf, known for being unpredictable. Proxima Centauri, for example, is a flare star, meaning it has frequent and intense eruptions of energy. In April 2021, Proxima Centauri released a flare over 100 times more powerful than any solar flare recorded on Earth. If you were on the exoplanet during such a flare, survival would be nearly impossible. These intense bursts of radiation could strip away the atmosphere and make the planet uninhabitable. Speaking of atmospheres, we don't know if Proxima b even has one. If it does, it's constantly under attack from its star's flares. Without an atmosphere, there's no protection from harmful space radiation, no climate stability, and no way to retain liquid water, all essential for supporting life. So, while it's tempting to imagine this planet as another Earth, the reality is different. Proxima b might be less of a paradise and more of a nightmare. The James Webb Telescope has provided high-resolution images of this planet, revealing surface features and hints about its atmosphere. However, even with this new information, the situation on Proxima b remains grim. Scientists estimate the planet receives over 200 times the solar wind radiation that Earth does. Solar wind, a constant stream of charged particles, poses serious challenges. Without a magnetic field or an atmosphere to deflect it, any life on the surface would face extreme difficulties. In 2020, researchers detected a strange signal from the direction of Proxima Centauri. Its frequency was unusual, sparking excitement. Could it be a sign of intelligent life? Unfortunately, the truth was less glamorous. The signal likely came from some form of interference, possibly from one of our satellites. Despite this, the moment of hope highlights how eager we are to find life out there. We're thrilled, almost desperate, to know we're not alone in this vast universe. Sending a probe to Proxima Centauri has also gained momentum, especially with the ambitious Starshot project. This initiative aims to use powerful lasers to propel a tiny probe to the Alpha Centauri system, where Proxima is located, in just a few decades. Normally, reaching the nearest star system would take thousands of years with current technology. But Starshot's laser-driven spacecraft could make the journey in just 22 years. It's an exciting concept, but there are significant challenges. For one, the lasers would require immense power, about 100 gigawatts, roughly equivalent to the entire power consumption of the United States. Additionally, atmospheric turbulence would make it difficult to keep the lasers focused on a small target like a spacecraft. If Starshot succeeds, it would be a game-changer, allowing us to explore nearby star systems within our lifetime. Multiple probes could increase our chances of getting detailed images of planets like Proxima b. The spacecraft would travel at 20% the speed of light, meaning it could arrive in just a few decades. Once it arrives, however, it would take another 4 years for the signals to reach Earth. Imagine this scenario. Starshot sends a probe to Proxima b, and we receive images back. What might we see? Oceans, clouds, perhaps signs of life, or a barren rocky wasteland battered by radiation. It's impossible to say for sure, but it's exciting to imagine. Even with the challenges, Starshot represents humanity's relentless desire to explore the cosmos and uncover its secrets. The discoveries made by the James Webb Space Telescope and other advanced instruments are fueling this ambition. Every glimpse into the universe gives us new questions and new possibilities to ponder. Proxima Centauri b, while fascinating, reminds us of how rare and precious Earth truly is. It may not be the paradise we hope to find, but it is still an important step in the search for life beyond our planet. The effort to study such worlds pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and technology. While Proxima b's harsh conditions might make life as we know it unlikely, scientists are not giving up. The search for exoplanets and alien life is not limited to one star system. Thousands of other potentially habitable planets have been identified, and more are being discovered every year. With the James Webb Space Telescope operational, astronomers can now analyze the atmospheres of distant planets, looking for biomarkers, gases like oxygen, methane, or carbon dioxide that could indicate the presence of life. The universe is vast and filled with countless stars, many of which likely host planets in their habitable zones. Proxima b is just one of the first steps in this grand journey of exploration. It's a reminder of how far we've come and how much more there is to discover. One of the most profound questions humanity faces is whether we are alone in the universe. The discovery of life beyond Earth, whether microscopic or intelligent, would fundamentally change our understanding of our place in the cosmos. It would show that life is not unique to Earth, but rather a natural outcome of the universe's processes. In the meantime, the search continues. Proxima Centauri b, with all its challenges, is a symbol of hope and curiosity. Even if it doesn't turn out to be a second Earth, it serves as a stepping stone to deeper knowledge and greater adventures among the stars. For now, we remain Earth-bound explorers, gazing up at the night sky with wonder. But with each discovery, we come closer to answering the question that has driven us for centuries. Are we alone? Reality, however, is that this planet's circumstances don't look perfect for supporting life as far as we might be concerned. While this planet has a few similarities to Earth, like its rocky surface and its location in the habitable zone, there are also significant differences that make it unlikely to be a life-friendly place. The severe radiation from its star and the apparent lack of a protective atmosphere are major obstacles. Even if there is water on the planet, which we don't actually know for certain, it's hard to imagine how life could survive under such harsh conditions. Yet we must take a step back. Even if this exoplanet turns out to be uninhabitable, the fact that we can learn so much about it is still a big deal. It means our technology is advancing, and our understanding of the universe is expanding. The James Webb Space Telescope is opening up new possibilities for exploration. And even if we don't find life on this planet, we're only at the beginning of our search. There are billions of stars in our galaxy alone, and many of them have planets. Some of these planets are bound to be in the right place, not too hot or cold where life could have a chance. This exoplanet might not be the jackpot, but that doesn't mean we should abandon the search. Each new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the universe. And that's what this is really about, isn't it? We want to find out if we're alone. We want to understand whether the conditions that led to life on Earth are unique or if they might be happening elsewhere right now. This question drives scientists to keep looking, keep asking, and keep exploring. For now, this exoplanet remains a question mark. It's a tantalizing possibility that there could be something out there, something alive, even if it's microorganisms clinging to survival in the most hostile environment imaginable. Or maybe it's just a barren, dormant rock close enough to trick us into hoping for more. Either way, it's a reminder of how much we still don't know about the universe and how far we have to go. The James Webb Space Telescope will continue to point its lens at the universe, capturing images of galaxies, nebulae, and perhaps more planets like Proxima b. Each image is a piece of the puzzle, a step toward understanding the staggering, breathtaking vastness of space. And who knows? Maybe one day we really will discover that we're not alone. Meanwhile, let's appreciate what we have. We live on a planet that is perfectly suited for us. We have water, an atmosphere, and a magnetic field that protects us from solar radiation. Earth is a rare and special place. Finding another Earth, a world as welcoming as this one, may be much harder than we think. Until we have definitive proof, this exoplanet will remain an intriguing question. It's close enough that we can almost touch it, yet far enough to keep us guessing. We're at the very edge of what we know, and that's an exciting place to be. The discoveries of the James Webb Space Telescope are just beginning, and this planet is only the first of many worlds we will learn about in the years to come. Learning about the harsh conditions on Proxima Centauri b helps us understand how hard it is for life to survive beyond Earth. The harsh truth about new worlds is that there is a lot to consider when we think about life beyond Earth, especially on a planet like this one. The challenges are immense, but the rewards could be even greater. Imagine a future where we know for sure that we are not alone. Imagine what it would mean for humanity to understand that our little planet is not the only one that has managed to develop life. The very idea is both humbling and exhilarating. But let's be honest about the realities. Even if this planet has water or an atmosphere, it is not a second Earth. The fact that it is located in the habitable zone is encouraging, but it's not enough to guarantee life. So many factors must align perfectly for a planet to support life. And right now, this exoplanet doesn't seem to have all of them. Red dwarf stars like Proxima Centauri are known for being unstable, and their flares can be deadly for any nearby planet. These flares could strip away the atmosphere, evaporate water, and leave any potential life exposed to lethal radiation. But that doesn't mean we should lose interest in this planet. There is still so much we can learn from studying it. Every time we observe it, we gain a better understanding of what makes a planet habitable. We study the conditions necessary for life and improve at identifying those conditions elsewhere in the universe. In many ways, this exoplanet is helping us refine our search for alien life. It's teaching us what to look for and what to avoid. It's also important to note that this exoplanet is not the only candidate for life. There are other exoplanets out there, some of which are even better suited for habitability. For example, the TRAPPIST, one system has planets located in the habitable zone of their star. These planets are similar in size to Earth and are relatively close to us, at around 40 light-years away. The TRAPPIST-1 system is another target for the James Webb Space Telescope, and it could hold the answers we are looking for. Over the coming years, we will learn more about this planet and other exoplanets like it. The James Webb Space Telescope is just the beginning. New technologies are being developed that will allow us to study these distant worlds in even greater detail. We may even be able to detect signs of life, not just microbial life but perhaps more complex organisms. The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes this search so exciting. Imagine a future where we have a detailed map of nearby stars and their planets. Imagine knowing which planets have water, which have atmospheres, and which could potentially support life. That future is within our reach, and it's a future that will change everything we know about our place in the universe. But until then, we have to keep looking, keep asking questions, and keep pushing the boundaries of what we know. This exoplanet may not be the second Earth we were hoping for, but it's still an important piece of the puzzle. It's helping us understand what makes a planet habitable, and it's guiding us in our search for life beyond our solar system. At the end of the day, we're just beginning to scratch the surface of what's possible. The universe is vast, and there are countless planets out there waiting to be discovered. This exoplanet is just one of them, and while it may not hold all the answers, it's helping us ask the right questions. That in itself is a huge step forward. The search for life beyond Earth is not easy. It's filled with challenges and setbacks, but it's also filled with hope and wonder. Each time we point a telescope at the sky, we are taking another step toward understanding our place in the universe. We are exploring the unknown, and we are doing it with the best tools humanity has ever created. Proxima Centauri b may not be the paradise we once imagined, but it's still a world worth studying. It's close enough for us to explore, and it's providing us with valuable information about what makes a planet habitable. The more we learn about Proxima Centauri b, the better prepared we will be for the discoveries that lie ahead. Proxima Centauri b is teaching us to refine our search and to look for other planets that may be more like Earth. Even in the face of harsh realities, we keep looking to other stars, hoping to find signs of life in places we haven't explored yet. Finding life beyond Earth is the ultimate goal. Until then, we have to keep pushing forward. We have to keep using the tools we have to explore the universe and expand our understanding of what's out there. The search for life beyond Earth is far from over. In fact, it's only just beginning. Imagine what it would mean for humanity to find proof of life beyond our planet. It would change everything, how we see ourselves and our place in the cosmos. Proxima Centauri b may not be the answer, but it's helping us ask the right questions, and that's a step in the right direction. The universe is vast and full of wonders. Proxima Centauri b is just one of those wonders, helping us understand the possibilities that exist beyond our planet. The James Webb Space Telescope is opening a new window to the universe, and Proxima Centauri b is one of the first things we're seeing through it. This journey is just beginning, and there is so much more to discover. We have to keep looking, keep asking questions, and keep exploring. The universe is a big place, and there is still so much we don't know. Proxima Centauri b may not be the new Earth we're hoping for, but it is helping us get closer to finding one, and that is worth all the effort we're putting into this search. The quest to find life beyond Earth is not just about finding another planet to live on. It's about understanding our place in the universe. It's about knowing whether we are unique or if life is something that can happen anywhere, given the right conditions. The search is far from over, and every discovery, no matter how small, brings us closer to the answers we seek. Proxima Centauri b is not the final destination, but it is a critical stop along the way. The James Webb Space Telescope is only the beginning. The future of space exploration is bright, and Proxima Centauri b is lighting the way. It reminds us of how far we've come and how much further we still have to go. The search for life beyond Earth is the greatest adventure humanity has ever embarked on, a journey that will take us to the farthest reaches of the universe and forever change our understanding of who we are. Proxima Centauri b may not be the answer, but it is a step in the right direction. The universe is vast, and Proxima Centauri b is just one of its many wonders. It's helping us understand what's possible beyond our planet, and guiding us toward the answers we've been seeking for so long. The James Webb Space Telescope is showing us a universe full of potential, and we are only just beginning to explore it. This journey is far from over. The discoveries we make will shape our future, inspire generations, and help us understand our place in the cosmos. The search for life beyond Earth is not just about science. It's about hope, curiosity, and the endless possibilities that lie ahead.